Hello learners, I am Dr. Nilima Chopra. We find that in our classrooms there is an increasing number of learners from diverse backgrounds. This can be attributed to the efforts of the government as well as the voluntary sector on enrolling all children in our schools and classrooms. Also, there has been a special emphasis on reaching out to the children from the marginalized groups, which has led to a lot of diversity in our classrooms. The diversity can also be attributed to the increased migration of people from one state to another state, from one region to another region. And therefore, we find that in our classrooms there are children with a number of diversities. We find there is linguistic diversities, there are geographical, rural, urban, remote areas, children from remote areas coming to the classrooms. We find that there is a lot of diversity based on the religious or the minority groups. We find cultural, ethnic diversities, and we also find that there are children who belong to the lower socioeconomic strata and from the poverty affected families. In the Indian scenario, caste system also plays a major role, and there are children from varied scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. There are gender differences in our classroom, and we also find that there are children with special needs in our classroom. So, how do we deal with this diversity? Well, teachers have different responses or different reactions to this diversity in the classroom. Many teachers might deny that diversity affects their classrooms, or they might be aware of the diversity but are not happy about it. And these two, the first two responses, can be attributed as negative responses to diversity in our classroom. There are other teachers who might be aware of the diversity and think that they can tolerate the differences and they can recognize the differences by arranging remedial or separate classes. A more positive response is reflected when the teacher is able to meaningfully engage all the children in the classrooms irrespective of their diversities. Also, it is found that the teacher is able to help the children or the students learn to the best of their ability in the classroom. Then it is a positive reaction or a response to diversity in a classroom. According to a UNESCO document, if the teacher has a negative response or a reaction to diversity in her or his classroom, then there can be some problems in the classroom management, and these problems are listed on your screen. A teacher is unaware of how cultural differences regarding education influence student participation in her classrooms. So when she has a negative response to the differences or diversity in the classroom, she becomes unaware of how behavior varies across different cultures. A teacher also might allow certain students to dominate class discussions, and she might not give equal opportunities to all the students in the classroom. All these reactions or responses in the classroom can have a very negative impact on the learning of the child. And such behavior in the class can lead to many problems. Students can become demotivated to learn. They may drop out from the classroom or the school. The socially disadvantaged students, such as students from the scheduled castes or scheduled tribes, tribal communities, or different ethnic and religious minorities, or students from the economically weaker section, girl students, especially all these categories or different types of students are specially found to be vulnerable and may lead to a dropout from school in case the teacher is unable to manage the diversity in her classroom.